Okay, in this video I'm going to show you quickly how you can do the various types of hyperlinking that you might need in web design. So in previous videos where we looked at creating a navigation menu and navigation buttons, we looked at hyperlinking between pages, but I'm going to repeat some of that here. So here I've got a piece of text that just says home and I want that to go to the home page. So I'm just going to highlight that piece of text by clicking and dragging over it. Down in the properties inspector here, working on HTML, need to come down to the link box, and in here I can type in index.html. So that's the file name of the home page itself, which should always be called index.html. So that's how you can do a hyperlink between pages of your own website. Is you would just type in the file name plus the extension .html, and it's very important that you do add the extension in. Okay, with this one here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight the text here, and I want this to be a hyperlink that is for emails. So when people click it, it will open up their email software and then be ready to send me an email. So for that one, I need to come down here and I need to type in mail2, so M-A-I-L-T-O colon, and then the email address, which in this case is moreinfo at lifeonearth.co.uk. So that would be the email address that we've got going on there. So that's how you do an email address. To hyperlink to an external website, you need to just highlight the text again that you want to be the hyperlink, and this time it will have HTTP, and then it will have colons, so that's 2 dots / www.bbc.co.uk, and then I'm just going to do a full / and go to their wildlife page. So it's very important that you have the HTTP : / before the web address that you need to link to. And you can also do a hyperlink that will go off. I never entered that there, so I just need to do that again. So apologies for that. That's what happens though. So www.bbc.co.uk / wildlife, and what I need to do is just press the return key. Forgot to press the return key to enter it. And then you can also hyperlink telephone numbers these days as well, because if people view your website on a mobile phone, they can actually tap this and then the phone will actually ring that number. So how do you get that to do that on a mobile phone? Well, you just simply go down to the link box and you just type in TAL : and then you would put in the telephone number 02392, I've got 1 2 3 4 5 6, the 7s would go in. But the key thing here is that you have the TAL : and then that would work on a mobile phone. As people tap it, it will then ring it. Now the links at the moment go this horrible blue colour with this sort of underline on them, and I don't like that. It doesn't fit into my kind of scheme of colour. So what I'm going to do is just come here and go from live view to design view. And then in design view I can come to page properties here. When I go to page properties, I can go to the link CSS and I can change the link color. So the link color, I want it to actually be the CCC, so I want it to stay with that grey. Rollover color, I'd like it to go to like my electric blue, I think. Let's keep with that same kind of color scheme there. Visited links, I'm just going to reset that to be the grey. So visited link is the colour after somebody's clicked on it and then come back to the page to see what the page is like. And do I want to underline? No, never underline. Or show underline only on rollover. I think we'll go for that one. Let's click apply, let's click OK, and you can see it's changed the links on the page. If we go and preview in the browser and save this, what you'll notice is that if I come down here now, when I roll over these, you get the blue with the underline. And if I was to click one, hopefully the BBC one is going to go off and pick up the BBC websites. So it has gone to their nature page. It's just that my internet here is working really slowly, so we're not probably going to get there, but the link is working. That's how you can do different kinds of hyperlinking here in Dreamweaver.